Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Another one don't happen again for Edo State. Tipper driver chairman and Ohen of Ohoromi fight don't they affect people where the fight no concern. Tipper driver chairman say Ohen of Ohoromi sell the land, give another person. Because of that, he can't stop all tipper drivers, make them no carry sand go Ohoromi again. No be only Ohoromi this thing come affect, it also affect people wey dey for Amagba and other communities. About Obaze don't come out, come talk for this matter. Make I leave you, make you hear from about Obaze.
Yes, today I want make we talk about the issue where they happen for some part of Edo State. I dey very sure the people where they live for Ugbo, Amagba, Ogunweyi Aziz, Obazagbon, Obage, Obayato, Arogba, Obazagbon, and many other communities. They can relate to what we are about to discuss today. Not the news again, say for almost 3 weeks now, the chairman, Tipper Drivers Association, Edo State branch, Abibini branch, I don't know whether they get another for Isha or they get another for Edo North, don't ban tipper drivers from carrying sand, from taking sand to all these communities when I mentioned so. When I first hear the matter, I did Benin that time before I traveled come Lagos. Somebody called me. They are building a massive hotel. No sand. Even person was supposed to do decking. Called me that day. They were supposed to do decking that morning. They don't mobilize workers only for things to spoil. No sand to complete the decking. They can't do decking half. More than 40 communities. I said, what's happened? They said the tipper chairman don't give order. Say any tipper man will carry sand, go that. All this Iyekogba Aziz, all the communities did that what Iyekogba War 2 for Oredo, some part of Bobaha even join. Say any tipper man will carry sand, go there. The Union Task Force will arrest him. He will pay 250,000 naira. I say, what's it happen? They can't tell me say the Ohe. Say, I said the tipper drivers they get issue with the police. So I don't say we're not gonna share this kind of video. I'm not gonna share this kind of video. Make everybody, make governor see him, make deputy governor see him, make everybody for Edo see him. Make una invite Ohe of Ohoromi, invite tipper drivers, share this video because people are suffering. 2 individuals cannot hold the state to ransom for their own personal interest. For their own team. So the rest of them going to suffer. They said the Ohe of Ohoromi community say the Ohe collect their land. Say they don't try to get the land back, they don't get the land back. The only way when they fit fight back is to stop tipper drivers from plying that route, from supplying sounds to developers in that axis. I was okay. It concerns other communities. They say, all the communities will connect Ohoromi. I said, no. Why? Why should I be paying for the sin of Paul? I know the way Paul commit sin. Why Abba now go call it pay for sin where Paul commits? Okay. Me, I not get Ohe Ohoromi number. can't call somebody. Because I remember when the TIPA chairman was lobbying, I was among those that he approached in government house. I was in government house that day. So my friend brought him to me. Comrade Orukpe. Not be that comrade where they call for New Benin, where saying they do a agenda. Not be that one. Ima Orukpe. I said, me not they do TIPA. They said, no, make I just put mouth anywhere. So because I remember saying, this chairman, they close to Orukpe. He's even a ward chairman. He's a PDP ward chairman in Ikpobaha. I call Orukpe. Orukpe said, I said, put me on conference call with the chairman. So he don't have power now. That time when they also he lawyer, but now he be the chairman of TIPA Association. I said, put me on call with this man. Come talk. We're on the phone for almost 15 minutes. The man come tell me things what happen. I will tell now what happened. Before I talk about that, the chairman TIPA Drivers Association, make I talk to Ohe of Okoromi community. I need you all to share this video. I'm not looking for views. I need him to see this video as I did live now. Or maybe one of those boys when they deal with him. They're going to say, Ohe, how about you are line? Make them listen to me. Ohe of Okoromi community. I know you way back many years ago for St. Savior. Not sure you know me, but I'll describe where you stay for St. Savior. I know you. Me and you don't see like 3 to 4 times for Eternal. I know you. The hotel where you built for Okoromi, my friends they sleep that hotel steady. Many of my friends they don't sleep there. There was even a day, one of the days that I drive come, but I don't enter inside. Just sit for the car park. I believe you are the leader. I believe you should be the highest person in the community. I don't know. But when I hear Ohe, it's like now you be the leader, and you be the head of that Okoromi community. I want to say this to you, Ohe. Your name is everywhere. Not for good, but for bad. There are complaints everywhere. I don't want to talk for this matter since because of people when they're very close to you, when they respect. People when you close to. But I shock when somebody still draw my attention to her today, say, a TIPA driver here winner after how many weeks? Ha! I said, hello, Maureen. Àti wẹ̀wẹ̀ mú kọ́. Èmi ga busy ọ̀yà bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́tì ẹ̀ ní. Mẹ̀rí adé, mẹ̀rí òtẹ́. Ìyá ọ̀làkẹ́ à. Hello? Ọ̀làkẹ́ à. Na Mary hotel. Oh, you know where they are. Now we're not dinner. No wala. Mary wana. Also, na person they work with, who they work together. That go show client property. So now also. So I shock when they tell me say. TIPA supposed to the work. So I want to talk to you on small because you are the head of that community. I know I make be like say but you how are you saying yeah you know because of your position in the community, and I believe you are recognized by the palace. So it type but one thing you can't tell me now. Have you ever heard CMA for Okoromi matter? Okoromi. Now, a community, a boundary dispute to one win or Nwalami judgment. Don't know what the Gbedo said now. I don't know, but there is this incessant cause that in your community they are reselling people's lands, which is not a good one. That they are reselling people's lands. No, I want to what no baby execute. When you abuse power, area the typical people they abuse of the so on abuse power, they are not by the abuse of the now the masses, now we always they are the receiving end of abuse of power. So if you have any issue with the tipper drivers, your matter don't they rob other people now. I never hear your side of the story. I will give you the room because we don't hear from the tipper chairman. Even about where we not send the go. Send the go any TA. If you not carry, I will about not on Facebook in a small boy in you what time to walk back bene why do I get your work? You why I work worry. Yeah, time away. If there is any issue, no with tipper drivers, you just allow boy in your way. You hear me no guy in your way. You need to call them to a round table. Because person will come back property for your community, not be your enemy. He wants your community to develop. We are not even looking at the bigger picture. Not be your enemy. He won't come live with you. So the issue not supposed to pass your palace. Say, am I to resolve it? And the way Oto, I ask Oto. Then what is the issue? When I escalate here now? There are some communities in Benin that I don't sell land. If you want to show me land, I know they go. If you want bounce, I know they get. I don't get for there. I know I mention the others. May not say Abati Wabonye community Maria. But who are TMA you towa he yo one never ever buni TMA. Oh wait, you want on the ake with the kilo? Yeah, he lava. Okoromi is one of the communities where I don't do business. He go out there, he go out here Okoromi. In case you don't know. Please, I want people to share this video. In case you don't know, he there Okoromi, he here. Igbera, Igbera, ye community of without. So, hey, please. I never hear your side of the story. But I would like to call you because if I go until the side of the day, so I will call you to explain your own side of the story. But please, evaluate tipper driver's office Yahweh umiato obiriyahi or hiato. Let's assume a boundary dispute fair day. Either you win for palace or you win for court. Please, I want to appeal. Anytime when I win boundary case, make sure they give developers the room to renegotiate. Please. Don't just say, "My money, I love doing it." No, now. No. Hello? Okay, see, now you go give me 10 minutes, so I beg. I did do something. You go just give me 10 minutes, please. Now say, I beg, just 10 minutes. My round up what I did do. You understand? Please, I win the case. No, give them room. They want to live with you. They still many are still willing to rebuy. Let's be reasonable to these people. Because it's so way hair fire or it's so way hair. That we are big on the airful up by the boss. I don't know Sabo, your parents. Oh, no, you hear all the best. Devil, I don't show. I need good accommodation for you. I need AC. Where fire the bomb. I don't want to do that side. I want to decide when they close to you. Make it a mugo. So let us take it easy. Oh, hey, please, I appeal to you. If any issue day when you get with them, it is not late. Because we are calling on government now to intervene. We are calling on government now to intervene. People are stranded. Over 40 to 45 communities are stranded. People know they feel carry sand. They are not building. People when they say cement now, they are cement or cake for their shops because no sand for people to come buy cement. Filling station owners when they said this for tipper drivers now, they are not stranded. Tipper drivers now and their motorboy, they are all at home. They are at home. You people are frustrating and killing the economy of our state for your own personal gain, for your own personal interest. So, oh hey, please, my next video will not be friendly. Maybe my ATM report me. My next video will not be friendly, sir. In your way, it might not be aware, but if there's any issue, I'm issue negative. See a tipper driver resolve it so that they can leave the bank. I beg you, you can test the Western okay now. Now, top government officials were sending a video that gear. How can you hold people ransom for more than 2 weeks? I shocked with the way I'm with it. You make it, I thought it was just going to last for 2 or 3 days. Oh, hey, now you need to address this matter. I am following up. I'm not going to take this lightly going forward. Now, tipper chairman, make a quick told now what tipper chairman tell me. He said they don't collect 2 tipper drivers land for that community. They can't complain to them. Then you know when you buy many years ago, they collect one or 2 plots. They build from one side. He can try to reach out to Ohe. Maybe I could bring the man on the platform, make it talk. Reach out to Ohe. Yeah, you are Ohe. The guy, from the way the guy spoke to me, see, the guy exhausted all options. He exhausted all options. His last option was to stop sand from going to all these communities. He even tell me I take go Palace. He meet some people for Palace. When they say they believe say Ohe they listen to, they prevent Ohe to see him. There was a day he talk about many things. They go ahead this thing. Ohe say they go show the another place. He say no, many matter. His mama did there. I saw Ohe talk one day. When they walk his mama out, he talk many. The guy try before the man try. I not go tell you. I not go tell a lie. But the black man in him. It constantly activator, which is abuse of power. And they are not going to join you. Etina wa fe ko aloe. Etia ti me bo me lo eti me ti bo ti lo e. Irreserve. O say ya go eteti ya go. Me ti bo ti activate so that then ya lo eti ni awe eti ni o drop ni eti o ni me. Eti o sa era ni je me hele. But the black man in him, abuse of power. Okay. Since you might see Gwegwano near Moti and you made a give a land. Now you want to activate. They give order to tipper drivers. I don't get problem with you, chairman. Saying no task force. Go to Okoromi, put your boys everywhere. Any tipper driver you see, snap the face, snap the plate number. I have no problem with you saying no sand should go to Okoromi. Yes, if you get issue with the leader of the community, make the leader say in all action they slow down the pace of development in this community. I have no issue. But adding other communities is where I have issue with you. Don't let me insult you. I don't stay tipper chairman. I spoke to you on the phone, and you know the way the phone they end. Me and you will insult each other before you cut the call. My friend Orupe was not even happy. I said, okay, fine. Send your task force to Okoromi. Let them enforce no sand or granite to Okoromi. Let people that are building in the Okoromi feel and say, now what you Ohe do, or Ohe get issue with Tipa Driver, and why some of they come. No, but it not concern Arogba. It not concern Obasanjo. It not concern Obage. It not concern all this other. It not concern Amagba. It not concern Ugbo. What it concern us? So, Tipa Chairman, you just need to, because I'm going to call you again after this broadcast. If you have OS number, please send me OS number. I also need to call Ohe to hear his side of the story. But the matter should be resolved immediately. Immediately. Stop now. I said 10 minutes. You are calling me now. The matter should be resolved immediately. So what? What it concern other communities now? You can't add the other communities. Make no say you get power. What it concern other communities? So who they build hotel now? Who they build house? Or who they do investment now for Amagba? Because what the issue when you get with Okoromina, they're not going to see something work. Bricklayers are not they go work again for that houses. Imagine the hundreds of thousands of bricklayers and servicemen that are hungry today because we are blocked everywhere because of your own land. Now you'll be the first person when they don't say land. You know how many of my land community leaders don't say, or Kagelis don't say. You know how many of my clients they are matter people who don't even know. I don't know my fans. They are matter they court. Okay, they don't get power now to say no more sand. Power is transient. You will not be Tipa Chairman forever. I know you are fighting for your own interest and the interest of your members, but you overdo it. What it concern other communities? Now then you they say Ohe abuse the power. You accuse Ohe or whether Ohe you accuse, or you tell me say that Ohe sell your land. Now you can't still do the same thing. You can't over abuse your own. What it concern other communities, concern what you get with Okoromi community. So please, whoever know the state chairman is a very stubborn man. Who I know him. Make una tell him make he lift the ban. You see why they talk say most of our social human rights activists, this is what they are supposed to be doing. How can you deprive other people from developing because you have issue with one community? Stop your Tipa drivers from sending sand to the community. Can't you enforce one community? So if something happen again tomorrow for Amagba, you'll send sand again, not go airport road. You want time to Amagba. So please, you don't use a rob other community. Me, I'm not advocating for sand to go to Okoromi. No. Use your power to do whatever you are doing with Okoromi. But remove other communities from it. Send your enforcers or your task force to that community. So I don't want to repeat myself. Please, Tipa Chairman, if you want to get no one when I send this video to them, you need to leave that ban. Activists are supposed to do things like no, now let government matter concern and protest. Once they want to protest, they say want to protest to bring money for protest. This is what they are supposed to be doing. Advocating for the masses, for the common man. But no, now let government matter when they feel say if they're too sharp, they'll call the entire side and give them something. So please, I am begging Ohe, Tipa Chairman, make una go sit down and resolve this matter. If you don't resolve it, you feel punish Okoromi, make sure not go there. Remove other communities from it. You not concern them. Please, if not, if we enter Benin, we will march come your office. You will beat us. Because some of your Tipa drivers now, they are hungry. They are complaining. You they threaten them. Stop this now. Stop this now. Why me not go beat Iranomigo brother, JP? Because of what Iranomigo do. Why? Why should I go? What you concern JP? Nobody should suffer for the sin of another person. No. If police arrest who not do crime now, now they shout. Now, Tipa driver now they punish other communities for the issue where you get with Okoromi. What it concern us for Amagba? What it concern Ugbo? You know how many people they enter all these communities every day? Do you know how much you are depriving the state government, the IGRO? filling station owners, food wey people wey dey buy food wey motorboy dey eat. Please, you need to stop this. So stop this. Thank you very much. Me, I'll be back. If you don't leave this bar, if you don't leave this bar in the next 3 days, I will come back. Thank you very much. God bless you. Share this video.
Now wey you don hear from about Obaze, let us know wetin you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.